You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can produce coconut oil and sell, and you make good money from it. Coconut oil is one of the best oil that you can manufacture. It's good for the hair, it's good for hair, for cooking and everything. It has a very high biological value. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually extract the oil from coconut. Having said that, let's go straight to the production of the coconut oil. Now see what we have. We'll just remove the peel of the coconut, and this is the coconut meat that we have. Now we're going to use the grater to make sure that we grate it all. If you have a blender, you can use it. So we just simply grate it like this. Now this is what we got. We are going to add the coconut water, and then with some warm water to extract the milk. Now I'm going to add our warm water, not much, to enable us to extract the milk. So this is what we have. This is amazing. But we are going to grind this shaft again for more extraction. So this is it. We are going to add more warm water again and achieve. Now you can see the quantity of milk we have and the shaft we have. We have more shaft because we do not use blender. If you use blender, you extract more milk. So because we do not extract more, we are going to have less oil. So in case if you want to extract your oil, please use a blender. It gives you better result. We are going to filter our milk for the second time to have a clear milk for us to extract the oil. Before we take it to the pot, let's filter it one more time. You can sell your coconut oil to hairdressers or individuals. People buy it because it makes the hair grow fast and shiny, very dark, beautiful. You can also sell coconut oil to top restaurants in town. A lot of persons buy coconut oil. For a better result, you need to stir it once it starts boiling. Stir it very well. Make sure you stir it very well. If not, it will stick to the walls of the pot and even at the bottom. So you make sure that you stir it very well. Now you can see the oil have started coming out. Very soon we will filter it and you see the beautiful clear coconut oil. We may not have much oil because we do not use blender to effectively blend the coconut for more coconut milk. So the one we have, you can see that beautiful clear oil that we have prepared. So if you have a blender, you have more result, better result than this. You have more oil because you have more milk that you will extract, and the milk converts to oil.